I was watching some English Premier League football recently and saw a 19-year-old score twice for Brighton Hove Albion to beat Tottenham Hotspurs 3-0, and another 19-year-old on debut for Newcastle United hitting the winner against Manchester United. There is also a 16-year-old creating waves for Big Bad Barcelona over in Spain. Now, we said all of that to say that while these teenagers are performing at the highest level of professional football here in Jamaica, it took some high school coaches to protest and complain to stop our top young baller, Lamar Walker, from going back to play in our PE Amateur Schoolboy Football League. Jamaica's top young baller with a professional contract pending would be playing the cup football instead of honing his craft in senior football. The mentality of our best young baller and the people around him is to go salad and pile some 16-year-old math and geography student instead of thinking big and beginning the journey towards big league and big money professional football. They might think about D-Cup and Olivier Shield and Super Cup. Yes. And yo, when the Maverick talk about these things, them say we're miserable and we cantankerous and me this and me that. But it pains my heart when I see them youth waste them talent. It pains me heart.